Welcome back to the show, guys. It is hot summer weather. Finally, Odin is enjoying a good swim in the lake. Let's make some tropical drinks, shall we? Alright, so today we are making the Ancient Mariner. It's got rum, it's got island spices, lime juice, sugar. It's just a wonderful tiki drink. So, it's going to start with some rum, obviously. We're going to do 1 ounce of aged rum. I'm using Havana Club 7-year-old. And then we're going to do 1 ounce of a dark rum. We're using Goslings, but any dark kind of blackstrap rum would work great here. Obviously, use the rums you want. I mean, this drink works better with dark rums, but use whatever you have. Okay, next up, we are going with Allspice Liqueur. I make my own allspice, so make sure to click that card, go see how I make that liqueur, homemade. I love Allspice Liqueur. It's so amazing. It's sweet and that warm spice. It's great for like holiday drinks. It's great for summertime tiki drinks. It's just amazing liqueur. So 1/4 ounce of allspice. After that, we've got a little bit of grapefruit juice, 1/2 ounce. And we're also going to do some lime juice. So 3/4 ounce of lime juice. So obviously it's going to be citrusy, it's going to be a little tart, but beautiful drink. And just to sweeten it up a tad, we're going to do 1/4 ounce of simple syrup. So you're getting some sweetness from the allspice. The allspice is quite sweet, and of course, but we're adjusting it with simple syrup. You can always add a little more simple syrup if you want it sweeter, but this is how I like it. All right, we did a flippy move, quick shake, and we're going to serve this in a rocks glass. If you have a nice tiki glass, go ahead and use that. I'm doing just a straight dump here, but you could strain over fresh crushed ice if you wanted. I'm going to top off with more crushed ice. And then to do a traditional tiki dressing of the glass, tiki garnish, we're going to do some mint. And I'm going to do a dehydrated lime wedge. That might be the citrus. Anyways, it might be a blood orange. I'm not sure. I dehydrate a whole lot of citrus at once, and then it lasts a long time. And there it is, guys, the Ancient Mariner. It's pretty much what you'd expect. It's rum forward, but then those spices, that allspice really comes through. It's not overly sweet. It's nice and tart and sour from all that citrus. Just a really good drink. Give it a try. Make some allspice liqueur. Check out that link, and we'll see you next time, guys. Cheers.